Hello everyone friends, welcome to the Veiler channel. Today I'll show you how to connect a gamepad to Minecraft and play Minecraft Java Edition with a controller. For this you need to download Fabric Midnight Controls, Minecraft and Fabric API version 1 21.1. Well, that's for whatever version you want. I've downloaded these three files. Next, open the Fabric installer. Select your version, in my case 1.21.1, and click install. So we've installed the game. Next, go to settings in the Minecraft launcher. Here's my Fabric 1.21.1, click on the folder and go to mods to drop our two mods here. After that, launch Minecraft. Go to settings, click here, select Midnight Controls Advanced Config and click controller. Now you can play with a controller. And that's it. That's all folks. Hit like and subscribe to the channel. This has been Veiler. See you later.